Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook and message not working and Messenger not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook and Messenger not working, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Messenger here. When you find this app, you will go to force stop, and then when you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. When you will end all this, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.